story. Now, Wiper Democratic Movement leader Kalonzo Musyoka is supporting proposals to amend the constitution using the Bomas draft as a model. He says the proposed changes will ensure equity and regional balance in the governance of the country. Kalonzo, however, cautioned that such constitutional changes must refrain from creating oppositions for individual leaders, but rather advance unity, peace and development of the country. He was addressing the party's National Executive Council and Parliamentary Group during a retreat at the Elementary Country Lodge.
When it comes to the very important matter of a relook at the Constitution, because that bridge building team will have come a cropper, according to me, if they don't come up with proposals on the amendment of Constitution 2010, because that is where they can build inclusivity. In the meantime, should it be that there will be people joining government in terms of what the handshake between Uhuru and Raila did, I think every community in this country must be included. If people have to bring in the parliamentary initiative, amend the Constitution, in my view, my considered view, they should take into account the Bomas draft. This country must lead the region. And therefore, our constitutional culture, when I meet the committee of 14, I'll tell them, ikiwa mko hapa pengine wengine na wazee wanaangalia community interest na nini kama hivyo, ziwekwe kwa meza mapema.